Connecting a Dell laptop to a Lenovo ThinkPad docking station is absolutely feasible with modern technology standards. The key is understanding compatibility factors and connection requirements. Four critical factors determine successful cross-brand docking: USB-C or Thunderbolt support on both devices, matching power delivery specifications, aligned display output capabilities, and proper driver compatibility. Connection type is crucial for functionality. USB-C provides basic connectivity with limited power delivery, while Thunderbolt 4 offers full functionality with high power delivery and 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds. Power delivery is critical for successful docking. Dell laptops typically require 65 to 130 watts. The essential rule is that the Lenovo dock's power output must meet or exceed your Dell laptop's requirements. Before connecting, verify hardware compatibility by checking your Dell laptop for USB-C or Thunderbolt ports, confirming the Lenovo dock supports universal connectivity, reviewing power specifications, and ensuring you have the latest drivers installed. With proper compatibility verification, connecting a Dell laptop to a Lenovo ThinkPad docking station achieves full functionality. Modern USB-C and Thunderbolt standards make cross-brand docking a reliable solution for today's hybrid work environments.